What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I feel we have to talk about this UNH, United Health Group. Everybody knows, unless you've been living under a rock, that they have some issues going on with the Medicare fraud, etc., the CEO issues, $600 all the way down to $250. That is a 60% decline, and that is all within April 11th. So that is 1 month. And we have lost 60% on this Dow Jones UNH United Health Group. Are you buying the dip? Look at the 1 year. Look at the RSI on the 1 year on this bad boy. Taking a quick look at this, zooming this out, $248 per share. RSI is 12. For me, how do you not buy shares of this? I know the risk is there, but all I'm thinking is, if we get good news that the investigation was false, I just have a feeling we're going to get a blast up here. We're going to get a monster boom here. At least back up to 350. That's a 35% move. I could imagine this moving. It's down 60% in 1 month. We get positive news on this. The CEO starts giving some direction here. I don't know. It just seems too good to be true. But it just makes me a little worried looking at the news of the Medicare issues, the fraud, plus the CEO issues. But they do have the CEO that just joined that has been with the company for many years, took a leave of absence, then now came back. So looking at this, are you buying this dip? I think everybody's asking themselves the same thing. I just want to give you the perspective here on the max chart. This company used to be up here at $625. Now we're pulled back. What I like about it is notice the 200 EMA, which is this green right here. It is bouncing right off of this 200 EMA. So somebody is looking at this and saying this is a buying opportunity. Whoever bought that 250 is already up almost 10% on this move. If we get a move back to 350 that I'm thinking, we are getting a 40 to 50% return. Very interesting stock right now. Tell me the thoughts. Are you buying this? Are you bag holding this? It just almost seems too good to be true. People are saying it's the next Enron. It's definitely an interesting take. So I definitely want to hear your comments on this. So please write something on this. Let's see. For those of you that have not seen the news, it's United Healthcare stock plunged at the report of the DOJ probe into the Medicare fraud. The healthcare giant faces mounting scrutiny, leadership shakeup, and investor flight as serious storm clouds gather. So that's why I'm wondering, if this is false and this report is not accurate, I think UNH could have a potential bounce here. Does that mean you should buy? No. I mean, you have to be able to handle risk. I mean, this could keep going down. It's a fallen knife, but it's definitely something that is interesting and something to be paying attention to. Just taking a look at the sentiment on Robinhood Legend right here, you can see that 79% has a buy rating on this right now. Hold is 17%, sell is 3%. It seems like everybody's selling, so I don't know how Robinhood has a 3% sell. But if you look at it, it shows that United Health, they have reasons why the Bulls has its balance sheet is more conservative than its peers, and it can handle uncertain periods. As a leading provider of Medicare Advantage plans in the U.S., United Health should benefit from ongoing demographic shifts and the increasing popularity of the plans among seniors. Now, the cons, the bears say the law of large numbers will eventually catch up to United Healthcare behemoth, making a 13 to 16% earnings growth difficult in the long run. The insurance and PBM industries will remain targets of regulators aiming to increase healthcare coverage and reduce the healthcare cost burden on society until the U.S. achieves universal affordable coverage. So it's definitely an interesting concept. So let me know in the comments section below. Are you buying the dip on this? I'm really curious. It's definitely something I've been thinking about. I know there's a lot of risk with it, but I just think if we can get that upside move, there's definitely a lot of gains to be made. Check out my playlist, the Robinhood platform, live pre-market analysis on Wednesdays, Sundays. Trading P&L 2025, members only playlist for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Check out the links as well. If you want to check out the Whop, become a YouTube member. Robinhood, Gemini, all that fun stuff, all for you right on the 6 more links up here. I'll see you guys next time.